In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read candlestick charts in the Robinhood app. Start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the stock chart you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the full chart view so everything we're about to cover is visible. Take a moment to orient yourself on the screen. The main candlestick chart is at the center, and you'll see supporting details like the volume bars near the bottom. Let's break down what you're looking at with candlesticks. Each candle represents price movement over a chosen time period. The color tells you direction. Green means the price closed higher than it opened, while red means it closed lower. The rectangular body shows the open and close prices for that period. The thin lines above and below, called wicks or shadows, mark the highest and lowest prices reached. A long body suggests strong buying or selling pressure, while a small body indicates indecision. Long wicks can signal that prices tested a level but were pushed back, which often hints at areas of support or resistance. Next, check the time frame. Use the 1D, 1W, 1M, and 1Y options to switch between short-term and long-term views. The 1D view is helpful for intraday moves and quick swings, while 1W and 1M offer a broader perspective on emerging trends. The 1Y view is great for understanding the bigger picture and placing recent price action in context. Always align the time frame with your goal, short-term for quick checks, longer-term for trend clarity. Now look at the volume bars at the bottom. Volume shows how much trading is happening. Rising volume during a move can confirm that the move has strength, while low volume may suggest a lack of conviction. Spikes in volume are often associated with news, earnings, or key technical levels being tested. For deeper analysis, switch to the advanced chart and add indicators like RSI or MACD. The relative strength index helps you gauge momentum. It can suggest when a stock is potentially overbought or oversold relative to recent price action. The MACD helps reveal trend direction and momentum shifts by comparing moving averages. Crossovers and changes in the histogram can highlight possible turning points. Keep these as context, not standalone signals. Finally, use all these elements together. Read the candlesticks to understand price behavior, verify the trend across different time frames, check volume to confirm interest, and consult RSI or MACD for additional insight. With practice, you'll form a clear, structured view of price movement, trends, and overall market activity inside Robinhood.